What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are at the hospital and we are gonna be meeting up with one of the bros, Keys. I think he's gonna get some cinematics and stuff of the car, so that's the main reason why we're here, I think. Yo, my left strut low-key sounds shot. Hold up. Looks fine. I guess we'll really only be able to tell when the car goes up in the air. We made it, guys. Look how dirty this car is, bro. I need to wash this. If y'all saw the last video, that's what that's from. But other than that, she's not too bad. We did get hit with some rain in the last video, so that's why it is a little bit dirty. You'll see that. It's not the dirtiest it's ever been, but it's not the cleanest it's ever been. Oh my God, look, guys. My car is cooked. Oh, crap. Salvage title. Pretty much the salvage. But yeah, the boy Jesus is pulling up. We're about to get some videos with two of the red cars. Yeah. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Damn, the sun looks crazy right now. Hold up. Look at this, bro. Look at this. What the heck, man? Oh, crap. I hit my camera. Jeez, guys, it is so hot outside. It was last week that was supposed to be hot, and it's still hot this week too. It's what, 94 degrees, but it feels like 104, I swear. Hey, what red is this? Toronto red?
Yeah.
I thought so. You have the full souvenir sponsor or what?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. How did this clip in though? That's my question.
What do you mean?
Like, did it bolt in?
Oh yeah, it's bolted.
Oh shit. What about when you return it?
It's only $800. We'll get a new one.
Yeah.
Or we just fetch them.
Yeah.
They will never do that.
Yeah, facts.
You just need a good guy to know.
How long is it for? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
Hell yeah. I didn't know like people modify lease cars, that's why. I was tripping.
You can, unless you just have to bring in the manual.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Do you have any issues back when you go for like any service or warranty work or?
They're actually pretty cool.
Really? They're like, oh hell yeah, nice car. Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah, mine's salvage. I already cut mine up and
Is that lip black or is it paint match?
it's paint matched.
So it's
Underneath is black.
Is it the same one as Nick?
No. He has a different style. He has the Laptor style. The Laptor. It's just like a different style. But this is just the normal M Performance style.
Looks nice. I like it.
I got the car with it. Yeah. So the last owner, he spec'd the car out with everything on there. So like all that's M Performance stuff. It was on the window sticker when I bought the car. It was fire.
Awesome.
That's why that lip's so valuable to me.
Wait. Oh, now I understand.
I protected it with the little underguard too.
That's that.
Yeah.
That's nice. Dude, it saves your ass.
Oh heck yeah. And yours is more of a problem, I'm assuming, because carbon's so fragile.
It already broke.
Yeah, you probably scrape once and it starts cracking, huh?
I did the undercards. But
Yeah.
it's so dangerous.
They'll send you a new one though, huh?
Huh?
They'll send you a new one?
I don't know about that.
We're at this car meet. Hush it.
Yeah.
Bro does not want to be here. Oh, oh crap.
One of
People are crazy here, bro.
Bro, he might fall down.
Where? Oh,
See, he's standing on there.
bro's just standing so casually too. Oh my god!
It's a gunshot, bro.
No, that's not a gunshot, bro. That's a car, bro. Bro said that's a gunshot.
Let me see how it goes.
Oh, it was that guy. Oh no. He's gonna make it. We roll up the window, bro. Turn on the car. No, bro, that's crazy work. Oh, y'all, you heard that? That was a supercharger. That was. Why are you laughing? We're like, Okay. That's it for us to clean. Guys, I'm scared of the outside with these kind of car meets, so we're sitting inside. Oh look, that's an Eclipse. Oh look, we got security up and down. Damn, security pulled up. What's happening? Why is everyone gathering? He didn't even do shit. He just turned on the light or something.
He's killing.
Yeah, obviously. What are they gonna do? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's crazy.
Cut this shit up like a shit. 100 the solo, I'm rich. The king of the girl, you know.